we have our overview. The overview is ready, but there is something missing. Before going on with the making of our first Prezi, we should plan our activity on paper so that we know how many topics and subtopics we need in our presentation. To add a topic, we only need to go to the bottom left corner and click on Topic. Clicking on it, we can choose between Planet and Stack. I'll choose Planet here, and we see that our first topic comes up in the center of our overview. For this reason, we need to move it, okay, and to resize it. Of course, we can choose where to place it and where to place the other topics we need. So we can make a kind of nice layout. We can customize the topic layout if we don't like it, of course. Let's see how. First, we select the topic, then we go to the menu that appears on the top of the page, and we start working, for example, on the fill color. We can choose between solid fill or linear gradient. I like it. I like the linear gradient. So I start with, yes, we can say with this color here, orange, kind of orange. And then we can end with another color. We can choose, for example, this one. And we can modify the opacity just to make it more visible. Then we go on, because we can choose to decrease or increase the border thickness and of course change its color as well. So maybe if I want a thinner border, I can use this option, and if I want to change its color, I can also choose, for example, an orange and make it less visible by using the opacity option. This way we have our first topic. Now let's go to this side of the page, and we see that we have added a new part to our presentation, a kind of new slide. If we click on this slide, we go directly to our first topic here. And then here we can decide to add subtopics. For example, let's add one subtopic. I always choose planet, and then we have the subtopic here. You see the layout is different from the topic, so we can change it as well. Working on the same menu here, we can change the fill color. We can, for example, choose yellow, and then we can work on opacity here, and we can also work on the border thickness, thicker or thinner as you like. Okay, I make it thinner, and we can change the color here. We can choose this one, for example. And after doing this, if we want to repeat this layout for all the subtopics here, we need to select the subtopic, to copy it by using Ctrl+C or Command+C on your keyboard, and then click deselect the subtopic and press Command+V or Ctrl+V to paste the subtopic. And you can repeat this procedure as long as you like. If you need more than 2 subtopics, you can go on pasting, okay, by pasting the subtopics here. And you see that the 2 subtopics appear on the left side menu. Now let me quickly show you how to move inside your presentation. Well, you are here. If you want to work on subtopics, you can select the slides here and you directly go to the subtopic you need to work on. And then you can go back by using this button here or by using this arrow here. If you use the arrow, you go back, okay, one step back, you go to the second subtopic here, you click on this slide and you go to the second subtopic. You can go back by using this button, and then if you want to go back to the overview, you can click here, sorry, and then or you can use the arrow here. If you need to copy the same layout on your presentation, you can select the topic by clicking on it once. You can press on your keyboard Ctrl C or Command C to copy the topic. You deselect the topic by clicking on the presentation, and then you press Ctrl V or Command V on your keyboard to paste the topic on the presentation. You can see that there is a duplicate, a copy, a perfect copy of the topic here, and you can repeat the procedure, of course, so that you can have all the topics and subtopics you need.